In this turbocharged tutorial, I am going to show you how to process a supplier invoice for a purchase order that you've created. First thing we need to do is go into the purchase order that you've received. So in here we go edit and delivered. So let's say we got all the items that are delivered. And the reason we need to put the delivery here is that will keep your automated inventory and stock levels up to date within eBoss and for the reporting side. So we've got them all delivered, so we're going to save those changes. We then come in here and add a supplier invoice. We'll put the invoice supplier number in here. Let's put the date. Description, we don't need to put anything there if you need to. And we've got tick boxes here. We can tick them all at once or tick each individually. And we add that invoice. There we go. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.